one thing we can all agree on is that God is good, and all the time. God is amazing at what He does. By not being direct, He can make things happen that will allow us to say, glory. Whether it is that you owe somebody money and then forget about it and just walk past you. Whether it is that you're broke and hungry but your house have salt so you can rob your neighbor mango tree. Or maybe, just maybe, the miracle is the girl we're moving next door. I thought this girl was a sign from God. And here's how that turned out. So boom. So what going people? What's Almighty there? Hope everybody alright. If you're not, then life could be worse. So this story took place back when I was 14. My memory of that time kinda foggy. But me clearly remember being single, high on testosterone, and in a lane full of beer man. Dang! Well, there was a girl there, Shenelle, but yeah. But besides that though, she'd have swing by my house from time to time, you know?
Why? Bro, I'm a nasty motherfucker.
So I remember I play ball one day. I remember feeling like all hopes is gone for me get a woman. Let me reach a point where I say to myself, say, self, you might die alone. And it's at this exact moment when me hear a tractor carry a horse go behind mine. Somebody there watching a full up me eye and I see what go on. And come to find out, a girl is in residence there. Glory. So a couple weeks pass and she get to know the place. She get settled in. And over the few weeks me notice 3 things. 1, she's a quiet one. I know what them say about the quiet ones already. Then love sing night front seat a taxi. 2, realize that she and Shenelle get close. Which is understandable, you know, because them are the only girls within that age group. 3, me notice that every time I go my back door, a she that me see. And not only in the days, me I talk about like some bad 10 o'clock in the night. Me open my door and boom, a she that. Now if this happened like once a week, I would understand. But every day? No man, this is a sign. It has to be. Now at this point in time, I would have stopped going to church like years now. But you can't deny a blessing when you see it. This is a sign from God, and who am I to stop destiny? Me need to get the girl here. So one day forward I link Shenelle and make Shenelle know say, yo, me I go want the girl next door. Let's call the girl Gabbie. So me make Shenelle know the strips and make she know say, yo, more she set a link. It was a pretty simple message for Gabbie. Make Gabbie know say, I want up the body there.
My nigga.
The next day forward and Shenelle give me a link and give me the green light. Let me know say, Gabbie says she like me too.
She want me. She want me bad. She can't even talk straight. Listen, you're freaky. I don't even know you. You ain't gotta be nervous, my baby. I don't bite.
Say you know who for head swell big then now. So me say, alright. Don't say a word, my general. I go do the right thing. Same night for me go out the door for go wash some plate. Like every other night, she dey out there too. As me say, me never do say she dey go out there. You see me? Me and God dey on the same wavelength. Let me make sure me get that. Somebody out the door, nervous as hell. Cause me never really have a father figure to sit me down and teach me the ropes of how to talk to females. And unfortunately at this point, me never developed the formula yet. So me did around 1,000 conversations in my head that try come up with topics of what to talk about. And then it hits me.
Brother, I got a boss here. What you afraid about? If are the big man senior B, conversation supposed to just flow. Should be a breeze. Just go on, brother, and do the right thing. Easy 1, 2 this. I'm to you.
So boom, make a bad man step, go straight to the toilet. Go all that shit, cause me not tell a lie.
Nigga!
Anxiety they kill me. But right after that though, I go straight to her fence and just call her by her name. Gabbie. Call her name smooth like baby knee cup. Forward, you know.
May I come?
Patience. Don't do anything.
So I put on my fuckboy face and I wait on her for forward to the general. She make a step forward and when she forward, me don't waste no time. Me just make she know straight away what me have for my mind. Me just slap her with my famous line, the smoothest one I could think of on spot. Shenelle make me know say, yo, you want peace of country boy. What I say? Yes. These are the best me could have come up with at the time. Ease me up. So as soon as me said that, me noticed her face drop. I mean exactly when me drop the line pan her. Right as me say she want a piece of the country boy, me hear she say,
Shenelle? After me never tell Shenelle nothing. Me can't tell when last me see her. Tell Shenelle say don't tell a lie upon me. Top call out me name, cause me and her we have things. No excuse me, I'm gonna do what me have to do.
listen. Shame like a dog, my G. No excuse me. No excuse me. And that she really say? Jano. You know, at some point you have to stop blaming people and realize, say, yo, maybe I had the problem, yeah, man. So next day I cut off Shenelle. You see me? Yeah, man. Can't deal with liar. Can't deal with junk in my life, I swear. But she said she liked me too. Oh, yeah, man. So, moral of the story. Never call back somebody's name when them set a link for you. It's a 50% chance that the person they have a normal conversation with the person. Just bring up a name and then find out what the other person feel about you and then come tell you. Don't risk messing up for them friendship because you want a relationship with the other girl, my G. Not worth it. And if you want a woman, brother, for the love of God, G, go on nobody go talk to her. Stop sending people if you go talk to woman for your nincompoop. If you're gay, man, woman look for confidence, you see me? And finally, maybe a girl don't want it because you're ugly, brother. Just something you need to accept. Believe me. Peace.